So for the past couple of days, we've been talking about ratios and how to keep ratios the same if we change things around. To keep the ratio the same, we either multiply or divide. So we're going to go ahead and practice this with a problem that I made up for us to do together. So I have made a cup of apple juice that is 4 ounces apple juice and 2 ounces water. Now my brother, he came to me and asked me if I could make him a glass that is the same as this and tastes the same. So I want to use the same ratio. The problem is that when I was measuring out my ounces of apple juice, I accidentally measured 5 ounces of apple juice instead of the original 4. So now I have to decide how many ounces of water that I need so that I can keep the ratio the same and keep the flavor the same. So what we're going to do is we are going to use a ratio table to help us decide how many we need, how many ounces we need. So we're going to do apple juice up top and water below. And they're both in ounces, obviously. Okay, and so we have 4 ounces of apple juice and 2 ounces of water. Okay, so here is the start of our ratio table. Now, what we need to do is we need to go from 4 ounces of apple juice to 5 ounces, and we need to figure out how many ounces of water we're going to have. So the best way to do this, because we can't go straight from 4 to 5, multiplying or dividing, so what we're going to do is we're going to go through 1 first and find the unit rate. Okay. So 4 to 1, you do 4 divided by 1, and that is going to, 4 divided by 4, and that is going to give you 1. So since we divided by 4 on the top, we're going to divide by 4 on the bottom as well. And that is going to give us 2/4 or 1/2 if we simplify. So either way. So if we have 1 ounce of apple juice, we are going to need 1/2 ounce of water to keep our ratio the same. So we're going to keep going, and we're going to go from 1 to 5 now. We have to multiply by 5. And since we multiplied the top by 5, we are going to multiply the bottom by 5 as well. So 1/2 times 5 is 5/2, which is also 2 and 1/2 ounces. So we found out that if we have 5 ounces of apple juice, we need 2 and 1/2 ounces of water. So I'm going to do that. Okay, I'm going to pour my apple juice in this cup right here. Measure out my water, 2.5 ounces. 2.5 ounces here. Alright. So, even though these 2 cups of apple juice have different amounts in each one of them, the ratio is the same. So they're going to taste the same.